he offer you how to connect the IDSS when you test the engine, and we will teach you how to connect the start machine to connect the engine. Okay, firstly, we will see we need to two pieces, chemical battery. One, use the fire harness. Okay, put to here, start solenoid. Okay, and also the ground harness here, any position is okay. And we have the star harness, this one, ground harness, fire harness, star harness. Okay, the star harness, okay, here, this is a star harness. Put to the solenoid here, and this one is a fire harness. Same to the fire harness. And this one is a ground harness, same here. So, and we will use fuel. We use the hand fuel pump to add it firstly to the engine. Later, when we moving later, we will use this fuel oil automatic. Okay. Okay, this one. And firstly, we